What is going on, guys? Larry Star 1999 on YouTube. Yes, I got this thing as a swap from the other phone. I got rid of the four-door Mercedes, but that's fine. I still kind of have it still. I just swapped it from the other profile. So I have this, and I've had this thing pre-customized already. You guys can like it or not, you can comment down below. We're gonna have a top speed run and we're gonna have some fun with it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and then I'm gonna make a little and put it all together. Well, that was an abrupt ending. I was hoping for 300, but we can try again. I think once I play with the tuning and somehow do it with the stock engine. But kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and we'll see you all on the next one.